How to plant flowers around headstones. Flowers are a respectful way to honor the graves of your lost family and friends. You do not want to plant a flower and see it quickly perish, though. To properly plant flowers around your loved one's headstone, be sure to follow a few very basic rules of gardening. Thankfully, planting and keeping the flowers alive around a headstone is a very simple task even for those without a green thumb. Things you'll need: garden spade, potted flower, gardening soil, plant fertilizer, water. Select a potted plant that is short, free of discoloration and not yet flowering. Also be sure that the plant is suited for your particular climate. Once the last frost has occurred in the early spring season, you are all set to begin the planting process. Remove the flower from its pot carefully to keep the entire root system intact. Dig down into the soil on the front or to the side of the headstone. Keep digging until you reach approximately 12 inches down. Shape the hole to accommodate the width of the plant. Situate the plant into the hole so that the base of the stem is level with the surrounding earth. Backfill the hole with rich gardening soil and a scoop of plant fertilizer. Immediately water the soil so that it is damp to the touch. Water the plant once daily for the first 8 to 12 days so that the roots can take hold. Tips: warnings. Plant the flower approximately 6 inches away from the headstone to allow the root space to grow.